So now we're doing TryHackMe, pre-security, how the web works, HTTP in detail. Task 7, making requests. All right, so we're going to click the view site button to the right, this one here. And this is going to be an emulator for making demo HTTP requests. Using what we've learned from the above tasks, we can use it to complete the below questions. Gotcha. Let's open it up. Boom. And we got this right here. Let's do the tour guide. Let's start. So we got the methods right here to change them up. We've got the URL here. We can change that up. We've got this go button right here to send it. We've got this thing with the gear with the parameters to change the get and post parameters. Okay. And that's that. Let's move this over a little bit. All right, good. So let's start with this first one. We're going to make a get request to the room page. All right. So let's slap in here room like that. And let's send it with the go. Boom. And so, yeah, THM, we're in the room. Let's do it. Boom. Hint, no, submit it. There we go. So let's make a get request to blog page and set the ID parameter to 1. Get out of here. All right. So let's go to blog. It's not how you spell it. Blog. And then we're going to do the ID parameter. So we got to do the question mark. ID equals 1. Right? So let's send it. There we go. We found the blog. Let's copy this, slap it in here, submit it. There we go. So now we're going to make a delete request to user page 1, whatever. You know what it says. All right, so let's change this up to user /1. And let's change the get to delete and let's run it. There we go. User's deleted. So let's grab this, copy it, come down here, slap it in, submit it. And that's that. So now we're going to make a put request to user2 page with the username parameter set to admin. And we're going to use the gear button on the right to manage body parameters. All right. So let's come over here and we're going to do user2. We're going to change it to a put. All right. So let's change it here and we're going to do username is admin. So let's put in the key username and let's put admin as the value. Let's save it. And send it. And there we go. User's updated. Let's grab this, copy it, go over here, slap it in. No, we don't need a hint. Submit it. There we go. So now we're going to make a post request to the login page with the username of THM and a password of let me in. All right. So we're going to do it the same over here, but a little bit different. Let's change it to login over here from user. Login. We'll do a post. We'll come over here and we're going to start with username of THM, We'll add another parameter and we'll say password is now going to be let me in. Let me in. Save it. Send it. There we go. Awesome. HTTP request master. Yeah, right. We got a few years before we get that title. So there's that. Take your time. Before I can slap 10 on there, we got it right here. We did it. HTTP in detail complete. Continue. Share it. Nah. Badge earned. Webbed. Okay. And now we're on to how websites work. Go to the next room. Let's do it. We don't even need to join it. It does it for us. All right. So now we're on to how websites work. And we'll see you next time.